Go Carpet Cleaning in Duluth, Georgia. Go Carpet Cleaning is one of the leading carpet cleaning businesses in Duluth and the surrounding areas. We focus on office and residential carpets, area rugs, and upholstery services. We supply natural solutions to fight any stain, even difficult ones. Our environment-friendly products will leave your home smelling fresh with a no-chemical smell or residue left behind for you and family pets. Today there are numerous delighted customers across all communities in Atlanta who rely heavily upon our experienced experts, since nothing gets easier than having an expert clean. For carpet cleaning in Duluth, contact Go Carpet Cleaning. Our knowledgeable service technicians are expert cleaners in hot water extraction, as a cleaning method which eliminates spots by thoroughly cleaning the fibers of your carpet. We work hard, and we utilize effective steam cleaning tools such that we reach deep into the fibers of your carpet and into every nook and cranny, so we can supply a complete, thorough carpet cleaning service. We have great news. We do more than carpet cleaning. Have a look at the selection of our additional services. Cleaning traffic patterns, upholstery cleaning, duct cleaning, rug cleaning, pet stains and odors cleaning, commercial services. There's absolutely nothing like strolling barefoot on clean, fresh-smelling carpeting, and we can help you get there. We use eco-friendly products that are safe for family pets and children, so you do not have to worry about anything toxic getting left after the job is done. Call us for a free consultation and to discuss our affordable rates on carpet cleaning in Duluth or the surrounding locations. Visit us at gocarpetcleaningatlanta.com or call us at 678-818-5698.